Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of exporting your reportable XML files. We will also talk about managing your arrangements for reporting and auditing purposes. Let's get started. First things first, you need to be an arrangement reporter to have access to the reporting tab at the top of the page. When you have these rights, you can navigate to the reporting tab and see all the reportable arrangements. Here you will find a list of the arrangements that are ready for reporting by us and have not been exported by anyone yet. You can filter by country on the left side and search for arrangement names right here. Take note that some countries may require additional information at this stage to ensure the XML file is complete. So make sure you have the right information at hand. Now let's export an arrangement. Simply find the arrangement you want to export and click the download button. This will generate a zip file which you can find in your download folder. The arrangement will then be moved to the pending arrangement page, with the status waiting for government. It's important to note that you still need to manually report the XML file that you have received from the system. So you need to navigate to the website of the tax authorities yourself. However, once you've reported it yourself, the government will send you a message after some time. This message will contain the arrangement ID and possibly the disclosure ID, and whether the reported arrangement is accepted. Once you have received the IDs, you can add them to the arrangement. These IDs are created in a way for the tax authorities to easily recognize them. So the system will check on these rules, helping you know you cannot make a mistake with this. Now the arrangement is officially closed and complete for auditing purposes. If there are any items that need to be changed and were not compliant, you have the flexibility to revert the arrangement to any previous state, right here. This allows you to make the necessary adjustments as needed. For closed arrangements, as well as any other arrangements, you can access the history with the appropriate user rights. In the history section, you can review the entire flow of the arrangement and access the XMLs exported. This feature is very useful for auditing purposes. And that's it for now. We have shown you how to export reportable XML files within the DAC6pro tool. If you have any questions or remarks, feel free to reach out to the support team. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.